Good evening, friends. Nalinakshay Swami here. Tomorrow is expiry. What can happen in the Nifty? Nifty, today, I am on the line chart just to show the picture clearly. Actually, here, around 18,165 and 18 here today, it made a double top. And the whole day, it consolidated in a range and it was a false breakout. False breakout to the level of 18,000. 18,000, I'm not able to see. Anyway, 18,165. And while going home, it corrected and closed near the 18,110 or something. So, what can happen tomorrow? Actually, they have created the double top over here. And they have induced the sellers because retailers have been taught that double top is the resistance. They have sold it. So they have created the double top intentionally to grab the liquidity over here. There is lot of liquidity. Stop loss has been created over here and the liquidity is flowing for the big players. So what can happen tomorrow if Nifty dips down to 18,029 and it can travel up to this area where the money is flowing. Money flowing means stop loss hunting, stop loss easily. There lot of shares can be exchanged in this area, liquidity area. So the Nifty can go up to tomorrow 18,236. This is the level. It can go up to 18,209 to 236. Okay, let me push it. 221 to 236. If it falls down to 18,029 to 18,209, almost 180 points grab will be there in the Nifty. So let me change it to candlestick pattern so that I'll zoom it out so that you will see what has happened today. So first 15 minutes, actually the market was comatose until 1:30 in the 1:30 in the afternoon. 1:30, it didn't come near the lower top. See, if I draw a line over here, this low was intact till 1:30 and then it broke out. It is a false breakout. Around 1:30 it broke out and up to 2 o'clock then later it went sideways and finally it came down closing near this. So this is the range. Suppose tomorrow if it starts coming to this level, this is the level because price has moved like this. So if they trap these people, they will get liquidity. There is stop loss hunting they can do at this level. 18,029 to 18,015. You can get a liquidity over here around this area. So it comes to 18,010 also. Okay. So if it gaps down to 18,029, so watch out for the price action. If it starts reversing from this area, it can travel up to this liquidity area. So it can go past the double top and it can go there. So every chance of Nifty going to 18,221 and coming down to this level, it may act as support because you can see this is the flip level. I'm dragging it. This is the flip level. If they push little bit lower, they will grab the liquidity and they can liquidity down and they will go to this level. Probable levels are 18,229 on the downside, 18,005 to 18,029. So watch out for these levels to trade, and even it can go little bit lower also. There is liquidity, double bottom is there. Here they have created a double bottom. They may create panic also going below that. See, we do not know how the play will be. Morning opening, these are the levels. We should 17,959. 17,959 on the downside and 18,010 to 29 on the another level, and on the upside 18,226, 27 to 230. So since they have come down, probably they may go down, gap down, and then they may proceed. Or otherwise, they initially, if the gaps up, their intention is to go down. If they gap up to this level, 18,218, and if there is any rejection and reversal candle is seen, you can look for the put option. If it gaps down, then you can look for the call option to go long to the level of 18,207. So tomorrow is a very crucial expiry, monthly expiry. You need to be very careful, and you just note down these levels and write down on your chart so that you will not miss anything. So in the pre-market itself, the market will give you some levels that you will get an idea where the Nifty is going to open. And when it settles around 8 a.m., then you can decide, you can plan if your levels are defined. So this is how you need to prepare yourself for the trade. And there is no chance of Nifty because this is the swing high. Swing high has started from 18,472. Suppose if it retraces back to this level, let me take the fib. Fib level, it will retrace almost 0.79%. Now it has retraced almost 0.5 percentage, and 0.68 comes to 18,227. Let me reverse it and apply that so that you can see it properly. Let me take it from there and place it to the top of the swing. So now it has retraced in between the 0.5 to 0.618. So why I'm getting, so I need to take from the bottom, top. So this is 0.5%, in between 0.5 to 0.618%. It can go up to 0.618. So you can clearly see around 0.5 it has got rejected. So play may be in this way. So they may end in wherever in between. But Nifty is the structure of the Nifty. If you see it, the fall has started from here and it retraced back this much. And again it consolidated, and then this is the consolidation area, and then it has fell this much. So if you forget this consolidation area, if you drag this is the whole thing. Nifty has fallen to this level. Okay. So then your swing point comes to this, swing area comes to this level. So then if we calculate the one, if I calculate the fib, if I take the fib and if I see now it has only 0.38% retracement, then 0.5 comes to 18,229 and in between that. So exactly whatever we have seen. So you can analyze on your own. This entire thing is a single swing. This is the swing, not this one. This is a counter. This is the counter, consolidation counter. It has halted over here in between and then it has proceeded. So entire swing is here. 18,700 is the swing which has started over here. 18,000, it culminated to 17,759. 18,700 to 17,700 means almost 1,000 points. Now Nifty has retraced 18,700, 300 points means 1/3, 0.38%. So 18,300 points, and if it retraces, so 0.5% will be 0.5% will come to the level of 18,245. So the 0.5 and it can retrace to 0.618. So you can anticipate the retracement to that level. So tomorrow you can anticipate. It can come down and it can move up to this level. So note down the levels properly. I hope I'm not confusing you people, because this is the swing. Swing, it is the in-between counter and it is retracing back. So now retracement can go up to this area. You can anticipate 18,200. So on the downside, 18,010 to 29 and another level is 17,959. On the upside, Nifty, the level, it can face resistance around 18,224 to 18,254. So you need to how the market proceeds. Then you can decide your plans in the live market. If it goes to 18,254, probably 18,200 put can become very cheap in the morning itself. Then it may give you hero zero opportunity. Or otherwise, if it comes down to 18,000, then 18,100 or 18,000 call can become very cheap. Then you can, so you can keep 18,200 put and 18,000 call in your radar and you can play. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.